Hello guys, today we have a Mitsubishi Pajero from 2010-11 Hubcut, and this model usually come with 3 liter, 3.5 liter and 3.8 liter gasoline engine. This particular engine is 3.8 liter and the engine model is 6G75. This is the only Mivec version, and on the inside this is what the engine looks like. Electric throttle. This is the airflow sensor. Three coils on this side and 3 coil on this side. The word Mivec is engraved on the tippet. This is a pretty powerful engine. For any inquiries, you can make comments on this video.